In this video, we're going to boot a bare metal application that's been stored in the eMMC and is running from the DDR. In the top left, COM12 is connected to UART0. COM14 is connected to UART1. COM11 is connected to UART2, and COM9 is connected to UART3. We'll power on the board now, and the HSS starts up on UART0, and its timeout counts down. Once finished, it copies the payload to the DDR and starts the U54s. On UART1, the U54_1 has started outputting messages. If we type 0, we get a debug message. If we type 1, we raise an interrupt on this heart. We can now see the heart1 interrupt count being output. If we press 2, it raises an interrupt on heart2. You can see that U54_2 is now printing cycle counters. If we look at the start of its messages, it printed out, "Hello world." If we press 5 to reprint the menu, we can see pressing 3 raises an interrupt on heart3, and it's now printing out its cycle values. If we scroll up, we can see U54_3 also printed "Hello world."